Kanira Chira, Faculty of Diploma Computer in Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Welcome all to Lecture 6 of Unit 5, Toast, Menu, Dialog, List and Adapter. In this lecture, we will discuss about list view and spinner, how to create list view and spinner in Android programming, and how to create a custom list view and custom spinner in Android programming. So first is Android list view. List of scrollable items can be displayed in Android using list view. It helps you to displaying the data in the form of a scrollable list. User can then select any list item by clicking on it. List view is a default scrollable, so we don't need to use scroll view or anything else with list view. List view is widely used in Android application. A very common example of list view is your phone contact book, where you have a list of your contacts displayed in a list view, and if you click on it, then user information is displayed. Adapter. To fill the data in a list view, we simply use adapters. List items are automatically inserted to a list using an adapter that pulls the contact from a source such as an array list, array, or database. List view in Android Studio. List view is present inside containers. From there, you can drag and drop on virtual mobile screen to create it. Alternatively, you can also XML code to create it. Here is Android list view XML code. Now next is attributes of list view. Let's see some different attributes of list view which will use while designing a custom list. First is ID. ID is used to uniquely identify a list view. Below is the ID attributes example code with explanation code. Second is divider. This is a drawable or color to draw between different list items. Below is the divider example code with explanation included, where we draw a red color divider between different views. Next attribute is divider height. This specifies the height of the divider between list items. This could be an DP, means density pixel, SP means scalable independent pixel, or PX means pixel. In our example of divider, we also set the divider height 1 dp between the list item. The height should be in dp, SP, or PX. Fourth attribute is list selector. List selector property is used to set the selector of the list view. It is generally orange or sky blue color mostly, but you can also define your custom color or an image as a list selector as per your design. Below is the selector example code with explanation included, where the list selector color is green. When you select any list item, then that item's background color is green. Now next is adapter used in list view. An adapter is a bridge between UI component and data source that helps us to fill data in UI component. It holds the data and sends the data to adapter view. Then you can take the data from the adapter view and show the data on different views like as list view, grid view, spinner, and etc. List view is a subclass of adapter views. It can be populated by binding to an adapter, which retrieves the data from an external source and creates a view that represents each data entry. In Android, commonly used adapter are array adapter and base adapter. Now we explain these two adapters in detail. First is array adapter. Whenever you have a list of single item which is packed by an array, you can use array adapter. For instance, list of phone contacts, countries, name. By default, array adapter expects a layout with a single text view. If you want to use more complex view, means more customization in list item, please avoid array adapter and use custom adapter. Below is a array adapter code. Now example of list view using array adapter. In this example, we display a list of country by using a simple array adapter. Step 1. Create a new project, list example and activity. Main activity. Here we will create a list view in linear layout. Below is the code of activity underscore main.xml. In second step, create a new activity name list view, and below is the code of activity underscore list view.xml. And third step, now in this final step we will use adapter to display the country names in UI. Below is the code of main activity.java. Now run the app in emulator. You will see the below output screen where the list of country names will be printed. Next adapter is base adapter. Base adapter is a common base class of a general implementation of an adapter that can be used in a list view. Whenever you need a customized list, you create your own adapter and extend base adapter. In that, base adapter can be extended to create a custom adapter for displaying a custom list item. Array adapter is also an implementation of base adapter. Now, example of list view using custom adapter. In this example, we will display a list of countries with flags. For this, we have to use custom adapter. First step, create a new project, list base example and activity. Main activity. Here we will create a list view in linear layout. Below is the code of activity underscore main.xml. In second step, create a new activity name list view, and below is the code of activity underscore list view.xml. In third step, we will use custom adapter to display the country names in UI by coding main activity.java. Below is the code of main activity.java. Make sure flag images are stored in drawable folder present inside res folder with correct naming. In step 4, now create another class custom adapter which will extend base adapter. Below is the code of custom adapter.java. Now run the app in emulator and it will show you name of countries along with flags. Below is the output screen. So this is all about list view in simple list view and custom list view. Android Spinner. In Android Spinner provide a quick way to select one value from a set of value. Android Spinner are nothing but the program list, say in other programming language. In a default state, a spinner shows its currently selected value. It provides an easy way to select a value from a list of value. In simple words, we can say that spinner is like a combo box of AWT or swing, where we can select a particular item from a list of items. Spinner is associated with adapter view, so to fill the data in spinner, we need to use one of the adapter class. Here is the XML basic code for spinner. To fill the data in a spinner, we need to implement an adapter class. A spinner is mainly used to display only text field, so we can implement array adapter for that. We can also use base adapter and other custom adapter to display spinner with more customized list. Suppose if we need to display text view and a image view in a spinner item list, then array adapter is not enough for that. Here we have to implement custom adapter in our class. Now we will use array adapter. An adapter is a bridge between UI component and data source that help us to fill data in UI component. It holds the data and sends the data to adapter view. Then view can text the data from the adapter view and show the data on different views like list view, grid view, spinner. Whenever you have a list of single items which is backed by an array, you can use array adapter. Here is the code of array adapter in Android. Now we will create an example of spinner using array adapter. Create a new project in Android Studio and name it spinner example. In second step, open res in layout and activity underscore main.xml and add the following code. Here we will create a spinner inside a relative layout. In step 3, now open app into Java, into package, into main activity.java and add the following code. Here we will use array adapter to fill the data in spinner, and also we are using toast to display when the item in spinner is selected. Now run the program in new editor and you will see options to choose among the bank names present inside the drop down list. You will also see toast message displaying on the screen when you will select the particular bank. Now we will use custom adapter to create a custom spinner. Base adapter class in Android is an abstract class, so by extending it in custom adapter, we override its method based on requirement. In above code snippet, the override function of base adapter are used to set the data in spinner, list view and grid view. Let's discuss all these functions in detail. First is getCount. The getCount function returns the total number of items to be displayed in a list. It counts the value from array list size, method or an array's length. For example, if we have a list of elements in an array list and we have to display the item in a list view, then we can count the total number of elements using the size function, and then that integer value is returned by the function getCount as shown below. Second function is getView. This function is automatically called when the list item view is ready to be displayed or about to be displayed. In this function, we set the layout for list item using layout inflator class and then add the data to the view like image view and text view and etc. Below is the getView function example code with explanation included, in which we set the layout using layout inflator and then the views ID and implement them. Next function is getItem. This function is used to get the data item associated with the specified position in the data set to obtain the corresponding data at the specific location in the collection of data item. Below is the example of code in which we return the array list item according to position. And fourth function is getItemID. As for the getItemID, it returns the corresponding to the position item ID. The function returns a long value of item position to the adapter. Now we will create a custom spinner using base adapter. First step, you have to create a new project in Android Studio and name it custom spinner example. In second step, open res into layout and into XML, means activity underscore main.xml, and add the following code. Here we are creating spinner inside the relative layout. In step 3, create a new layout activity in res layout and name it custom underscore spinner underscore item.xml. Add following code. Here we are defining basic layout for custom item that will be displayed inside spinner. In next step, open app into Java, into package, into main activity.java and add the following code. Explanation is included in the code itself. In Java, Or we can see that getting the instance of spinner and displaying on item selected listener on it, and then after performing action on item selected and nothing selected. In step 5, create a new class app into Java into package and new class name custom adapter.java and add the following code. Here we will override the method of base adapter to fill the data in spinner. Now next is now run the app in emulator for AVD means Android virtual device, and you will see the custom spinner displaying flags and country names together. Change country names inside spinner and you will see toast displaying message which country is selected. So this is all about spinner and custom spinner. Thank you for watching this lecture. For more video, like our YouTube channel, share and subscribe.